All right, so we have the first part of this trip. We're going a distance of 10 miles, and we're doing that at a speed of 8 miles per hour. The second part of the trip, we're going a distance of 10 miles, and we don't know what the speed is. That's what we're looking for. We're trying to find the amount of speed that it would take here in order to get an average speed of 4 miles an hour. To get average speed, we're going to need total distance divided by total time. We know that the total time we're not really sure of, but we can figure out the time here. So let's do that. T is equal to d over v. That is going to be equal to 10 divided by 8, which is 1.25 hours. So let's rearrange this equation. Total time is going to be equal to d over v average. Our total distance is 20 miles, just adding the two of those together, and 4 is what we've been given. So our total time is going to be 5 hours. Since our total time is equal to t1 plus t2, so the time for the first part and the time for the second part, the time for the second part is equal to t total minus t1. So that's 5 hours minus 1.25 hours, which is 3.75 hours. All right, now we're getting close because we know the time that it's going to take for this. Our speed is going to be equal to d over t. This is going to be 10 miles divided by 3.75 hours, which is a total of 2.7 miles per hour. Part B. So that was part A. Part B, we're asked to figure out whether or not they could ever go an average speed of 16 miles per hour. And there are a lot of different ways to solve this, but what I'm going to do is figure out what is the time that it would take to do that entire trip. So that would be the total distance divided by the average speed. So this would be 20 miles. The average speed would be 16. And when I divide that, that would be 1.25 hours. So that would be the total time for the trip. Since we already know that the first 10 miles took that whole time, the answer is nope, we can't, because there's no way we could cover the second 10 miles in 0 time.